Now next chapter is 22, polar lights. This is the theoretical chapter. Now we will continue chapter number 23, useful devices. Okay, you have seen this type of devices? Yes, very good. Now given below the description of certain devices used by different people in their work. Label them correctly with the help of given clues. Clues are given below. Okay, here first one is an instrument used for measuring the amount of rainfall in a particular area. First one is, answer is rain gauge. Okay, so this one is rain gauge. So you will write here 1G. Okay, and this instrument used for measuring the amount of rainfall. Okay, an instrument for measuring temperature. You know? Yes, thermometer. So you will write here second 2D. This is the thermometer to check the measuring temperature. Now third one is an instrument used to detect the record details of earthquakes. Details of earthquakes. Seismograph. Where is it? This one. This is the seismograph. So you will write here 3A. Okay. An instrument used to detect the record details of earthquake. Okay. earthquake की जो details देता है उस instrument को क्या बोला जाता है? Seismograph. And this is the seismograph. Now an optical instrument through which distant object appear near. An optical instrument through which distant object appear nearer. Okay, what is this? टेलीस्कोप. क्यों यूज़ करते हैं टेलीस्कोप का? जब हमको कोई दूर की चीज़ को सामने फील करना हो उसके लिए हम किस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज़ करेंगे? टेलीस्कोप. दिस इज द telescope. So you will write here 4C. Okay. Now an instrument for listening to internal sound of an animal or human body. Stethoscope. Okay, this is the stethoscope. देखा है आपने, जब डॉक्टर हमारी इंटरनल बॉडी की किसी साउंड्स को सुनने के लिए किसका यूज़ करते हैं? स्टेथोस्कोप. सो यू विल राइट हियर 5H. नाउ एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज फॉर व्यूइंग वेरी स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. वेरी स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स इज यूज फॉर माइक्रोस्कोप. ओके, जब बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे चीज़ों को देखना हो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? माइक्रोस्कोप का. सो यू विल राइट हियर 6E. ओके, एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज फॉर मेजरिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ मिल्क. क्वालिटी ऑफ मिल्क. व्हाट इज दिस? लैक्टोस्कोप. दिस वन इज लैक्टोस्कोप. And it is used for measuring the quality of milk. That is called lactoscope. Okay. Now an instrument for testing vision. An instrument for testing vision. Okay. Optometer. What is this? Optometer. जब हम आई चेकअप करवाने के लिए जाते हैं तो उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को क्या बोला जाता है? ऑप्टोमीटर. व्हाट इज दिस? ऑप्टोमीटर. सो यू विल राइट हियर 8B. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज chapter number 24, branches of science. Science helps us understanding the things around us in systematic way, like animals related, plants related, inner parts of earth, weather conditions, planets and stars, balance of nature, space traveler, properties of matters and energy, the universe. ये जितना भी है वो एक उन सब की ये सब किससे अंडर में आते हैं? साइंस के अंडर में. तो अभी हम ये देखेंगे कि प्लांट लाइफ है तो उसके लिए कौन सा सिस्टमेटिक वे है, कौन सा नेम है, पर्टिकुलर कौन सी फील्ड है, वो किससे रिलेट करती है. कॉलम ए एंड कॉलम बी जस्ट लाइक मैचिंग. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. प्लांट लाइफ. प्लांट लाइफ. प्लांट लाइफ. Botany. Okay, so you will write here B. Plant life is related to botany. You will write here B. Animal life. Animal life is field of zoology. Okay, so you will write here D, zoology. Planet and stars. Planet and stars. Astronomy. Astronomy is the field related to planet and stars. So you will write here I. Okay. Weather conditions. Weather condition. Meteorology. Okay. So you will write here F. Inner parts of the earth. Inner parts of the earth is called geology. Is field related to inner parts of the earth is called geology. So you will write here A. Okay. Structure of the human body. Structure of the human body. So you will write here anatomy. Okay. Balance of nature. Balance of nature is called ecology. What is this? Ecology. So you will write here C. Space travel. Space travel. Space travel is called astronautics. Astronautics. Okay. So you will write here J. Properties of matter and energy. Properties of matter and energy is called physics. Is related to physics. So you will write here G. The universe. Universe field is cosmology. Cosmology. So you will write here H. Okay, this is the science helps understand the things around us in the systematic way. Now students, next chapter is chapter number 25, Space Odyssey. Okay, this chapter is related to galaxy. Okay, a galaxy is very large group of stars, dust, gas or dark matter held together by gravity. Okay, our galaxy does have such a system of planets. Okay, here all are planets and here given clue down or across. So for solve the puzzle. First one is the planet closest to the sun and across is the red planet. Okay, first one is the planet closest to the sun is Mars, M-A-R-S, and the red planet is across Mercury, M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. Okay, second clue is the sun and all the planets that move around it. Down. Down is solar system. So you will write here down solar system. And across, they twinkle at night. They twinkle at night. Stars. So you will write here stars. S-T-A-R-S. Okay. Now, third one is a person who travels in the space. Across, only across. So you will write here astronaut. astronaut, astronaut. And fourth one is an imaginary line joining the two poles. The imaginary line joining the two poles is called axis. AXIS, axis. Okay children. Now fifth one is our galaxy is known by this name. A galaxy is known by this name. Milky Way. MILKYWAY. इस ब्लू बॉक्स को आपको स्किप कर देना है, ठीक है. मिल्की वे. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ the largest planet, sixth one is the largest planet is Jupiter. JUPITER, Jupiter. Seventh one is heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Heavenly bodies that move around the sun is called planets. PLANETS, planets. Okay, down. Eighth one is the movement of the earth which causes day and night. The movement of the earth which causes day and night. Eighth one is rotation. So you will write here ROTATION, rotation. The blue planet. Ninth one is the blue planet. Earth. EARTH, Earth. First one is across Mars and down Mercury. Second one is down solar system and across stars. Third one is astronaut. Fourth one is axis. Fifth one is Milky Way. This is our galaxy name, Milky Way. Sixth one is Jupiter. The largest planet is called Jupiter. And seventh one is heavenly bodies that move around the sun, planets. Okay. Now eighth one is the movement of the earth is day and night is called rotation. That is called rotation. ROTATION, rotation. And last one is the blue planet is called Earth. EARTH. Okay, this is the puzzle related to our galaxy. Thank you.